Okay, it's the factors of 12 divided by the factors of 6. Again, I kind of think it's unproductive to write them all down, but they're all written down for you. And if you count them up, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There would be 24 of them. Right now, someone says you're going to test them all out. No, I'm not going to test them all out. I'm going to test some out, though. And someone says, oh, it's a lot of work to test them out. It is. And I really, especially if they're difficult, but these, for the most part, they aren't that bad to check out. And you might say it's unproductive to check some of those I'm checking over here, but I'm just, thuggishly going through them, realizing they're not roots. And then all of a sudden I land on 2 roots. And once you land on 2 roots, you pretty much are good to go. You can stop looking once you get 2 for a 4th degree polynomial. What would you get over there? You would get x plus 2, and then you would get x minus 3. And that is coming from these 2 over here. What's left over? Well, you're going to get 6x squared. And then the end, what do you get? Well, 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. I need 12, so that's going to be minus 2. What I don't know is the middle term. There are many ways to do it. One is by a long division. Long division's over here. And if you do the long division, you're going to find out the b is minus 1. If you equate coefficients, you're still going to find the b to be minus 1. All right? So I'm going to erase that. I'm not doing the long division or equating coefficients because we've done them already. Write that down for you. And then you're going to try to factor it. And what I mean by try, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Let's try the AC rule again. 6 minus 2, we haven't done this in a while, is minus 12. I need to find 2 numbers that give me a product of minus 12, but when those 2 numbers are added together, they give me a sum of minus 1. Well, it's pretty easy. I'm going to say minus 4 and 3. All right, let's rewrite it. X squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 2. I'm going to factor by grouping. What do you get? 2x. This would be 3x minus 2 plus 1, 3x minus 2. I know my factors now, 3x minus 2. And then it would be 2x plus 1. Get my eraser out. Let me start writing the roots down now. Where are the roots going to be? As follows. These are the roots. Let's see, minus 2, 3, 2/3, and minus 1/2. Now, I want you to appreciate that these roots are in the list of rational roots, minus 2 and 3, of course. And the other ones, which are 2/3 and minus 1/2, are also in the list. All right? All right, what are you going to do now? Graph it. I should check the roots first, though, right? So let's make sure we got these over here. Minus 2 and 3. Yep. 2/3 and minus 1/2. We listed them all out. Let's look at the graph. As I go through the graph, I just want to point out, plot the roots first. So like minus 2 should get plotted. 3 should get plotted. Minus 1/2 should get plotted. And 2/3 should get plotted. What else should get plotted? The y-intercept, which is 12. And then this is a 4th degree polynomial. We're expecting this behavior over here. And then in between here, I'm expecting positive because the y-intercept says so. And again, if you want to do your sign analysis, you can, but it's getting fairly obvious at this point that this seems reasonable over here. Again, a machine is graphing these things out. But anyway, you can get a rough graph. I'm not saying it's going to be as good as this one, but you have a rough idea what it looks like. And it's important to be able to get a rough graph. All right, let me remind you who I am. My name is Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon. That's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you.